Imagine cruising down the open road on a machine that looks like it rolled straight out of the future, but feels as cozy as a tiny home on wheels. Today, we're diving into the unbelievable 2027 Tricycle RV. Yes, you heard that right. A full micro RV built onto a three-wheel frame. And trust me, this thing will make you rethink everything you know about travel, freedom, and adventure. So stick with me till the end, because what this compact beast can do will genuinely surprise you. Picture this: you're gliding through narrow streets, slipping into tight camping spots, and maneuvering effortlessly where regular RVs would get stuck or give up. The 2027 Tricycle RV takes all the power of a mini camper and mixes it with the agility of a trike. It's lightweight, efficient, and shockingly fun to ride. But what makes it so addictive isn't just its looks. It's the way it transforms every journey into something cinematic. Wherever you go, people stop, stare, and ask the same question: how is all that built onto a tricycle? Let's start with the exterior. Sleek aerodynamic panels, LED travel lights, and a sculpted rear cabin that unfolds like a portable tiny home. But once you step inside, that's where the magic truly begins. The cabin opens up into a surprisingly comfortable micro-living space. You've got a fold-down bed perfect for one or two adventurers, modular storage that tucks away like origami, and even a compact kitchenette where you can cook up a hot meal while parked beside a mountain view. And don't get fooled by its size. This thing packs insulation and ventilation that make it feel like a real RV, not just a bike with a box slapped on the back. Now imagine pulling over at a quiet lakeside spot. You pop open the side window, let the breeze roll in, and suddenly this tiny cabin becomes the best seat in the world. The designers of the 2027 Tricycle RV didn't just build a vehicle. They built an escape pod for anyone tired of the same old routine. It's for weekend wanderers, solo nomads, photography junkies, people who want to feel the road again without needing a full-size RV or a massive budget. But it gets even better. This Tricycle RV is incredibly efficient. With its low weight and smart engineering, it sips fuel instead of chugging it. And if you upgrade to the hybrid or electric assist version, long rides become almost effortless. No more stress trying to handle giant RVs. No more draining your wallet just to explore. The 2027 Tricycle RV opens the door to affordable, flexible, go-anywhere travel. Just wait, because there's one more feature that blows everyone away. Hidden panels on the side convert into an outdoor mini deck. Yes, an actual fold-out patio on a trike. Imagine sipping your morning tea on your own tiny balcony, parked anywhere your heart desires. That's the kind of creativity this vehicle brings to the table. So, if you've ever dreamed of hitting the road with total freedom, no limits, no heavy gear, no complicated setup, the 2027 Tricycle RV is the ride made for you. It's simple, smart, adventurous, and designed for people who want life to feel like a journey, not a commute. And if this is where RV innovation is headed, the future of travel is going to be absolutely wild.